this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot OneSec app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to troubleshoot OneSec app, just go to your phone and look for settings. And from settings, go to apps. From apps, look for manage apps or all apps depending on your phone. Search for the app and tap on it to open the app info page. Now at this point, first go to pause stop and then okay. This will halt or stop any background activities on this app that might be causing your issue. Then head to clear data and choose clear cache and finally okay. Once this is done, restart your smartphone and now everything should be okay. However, if you still experience the challenge, go to clear data here on the app info page and tap on okay. And finally everything should now be okay. But should you still have a challenge, then go to Google Play Store if you are on Android and search for your app and find out if we have any update. Here you will need to update your app to the latest version by typing on update, and now this should fix your problem. But should this not fix your problem, then you will need to uninstall the app from your phone. So uninstall the app if that problem has not been fixed and then install the app afresh. By doing so, this will fix any bugs that might be associated with your app. So that's how you can troubleshoot any issues on your OneSec app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.